ভিডিওটি বাংলায় দেখবার জন্যে ডেসক্রিপশনে দেওয়া লিঙ্কটিতে ক্লিক করুন। This is Auroville in Pondicherry. Today we are going to visit Auroville in Pondicherry, and there we will visit most attractive and favorite place Matrimandir. So this is the information center near Rock Beach and going there. So from there I have received few information like there is no booking is required. You can go with your car. Only 50 rupee will be parking fees. Otherwise you can book local autos or tuk tuk. So they will charge 5 to 600 rupee based on bargaining. So now we are going towards Matrimandir, and you can see this is very beautiful road, complete green with different trees, flowers. This is about 17 kilometers from Pondicherry city, so you can go there uh, within 30-40 minutes. And we followed the Google Map, but unfortunately Google Map has shown a wrong route. So we need to take U-turn. Actually, we have crossed this, so we need to take U-turn and need to go to parking. So now we reach to parking. We need to take the parking ticket. 50 rupee is the parking charge, and there is open space, so I can park anywhere. This is my parking ticket of 50 rupee. This is different for every different types of cars. Here is the board, and now after car park we need to walk little bit, about 4-5 minutes. So we reached, and this is the map of the Auroville, where the entrance place. Here we need to take the ticket and the entry pass. So before that, there is the history of this Auroville, how it has planned, and also the information regarding this. Few old photos when it was building. So in Auroville, there is many foreigners also here. Almost 70% foreigners lived here. So this is the Matrimandir uh, in short form, or you can say the globe type of things. It's showing how it looks from outside and inside, and the entire place. At the center is the Matrimandir, and there is different the entire area. So this is the model, and now we have taken the entry pass. This has been issued free without any cost, but we must take to enter at that place. So now we need to walk till Matrimandir. It's about 1 kilometer from here, and it's a completely village area. So nice to walk. Natural beauty is really great. So many trees, different shaped building. We really surprised here. And if someone tired for walking, then can take rest. You can see they have created fish, a big banyan tree. Now we are walking. My daughter is tired. She cannot walk so long. Okay, so I need to take her. So now this is the Matrimandir. So we have reached here. We have walked around more than 1 kilometer, I believe. And this is Matrimandir from outside. We are already late, so we are not allowed to go inside. So we cannot see the inside how it looks. So many people are here. It's really crowded. So that I was saying, it's near to Pondicherry city, but it's about 17 kilometers from there. Matrimandir. Lotus flower, and also there is a main flower is hibiscus. So it was chosen by uh, mother, and there is 12 different pillar, and every pillar has different name, and every pillar represents some different meaning. So it has been written over there. Here it is written in different language. First English, next Tamil, sorry, first is French, Tamil, and after that English and Hindi. So now we are returning from there. We are little bit tired, so taking rest. It's quite hot. Even it's this is August, but quite hot. So this is the banyan tree, and from there we got the information. This is almost more than 100 years old, and it's spreaded over 50 meters with its all roots. So at returning, we'll get the bus service free of cost. So this is bus, but already it's a long queue, so we might not get the chance to enter into. We might need to wait for next bus. Yes, it's already full, so we need to wait for next bus. It will bring us from here at the entry point, so we no need to walk more. Our youngest member now within the bus, sorry, now inside the bus, and bus is now going towards the entry gate where we parked our car. We reached there, and kids are playing. So this is the Mira boutique. Different boutique items are there, but we are hungry, so we're trying to find out some food stall. There is a cafeteria, or maybe we can take some snacks from there. La boutique and etc. It's a great place. If you are visiting Pondicherry, then must visit that place. So it will take half day almost. It opens at 9 and opens till 5, Monday to Friday. Sorry, Monday to Saturday. Only Sunday is half day. We checked this price. It's little higher range uh, comparing with outside. Around this place, lots of foreigners are there, and we are going towards the boutique side now. Um, Trying to get videos inside, but it's not allowed, so I cannot take more videos. Just at the entry point, there is so many things to see. Different item, handcraft, flute, and so many things, but little expensive. Yeah, more than that, I cannot take the videos. So these are few items shown for display. And why I am saying it's a little bit expensive, because this only frock price around 5,500 INR. But really, items are very good. The music instrument really amazing. So many different music systems are there. Now it's almost over. It was really enjoyable place. Everyone enjoyed, but little tiredness we felt, because we need to walk around 2 3 kilometer or more than that, and it's quite hot outside even in August. So now we will return back to Pondicherry and we'll visit other places. So stay tuned with me, so you can see other videos on Pondicherry. And thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you. Bye bye.